Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Netflix. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your browser. And here it says, before you do anything, basically, you're going to go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to double check if there is a new update on Netflix. I'm going to double check for myself to see if there is a newest update on Netflix. If there is, just go ahead and do it, and if there isn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up my browser. Now you can customize your profiles on most devices. Go to manage profile section on your device once you log in to your Netflix, and then go to the profile section screen, change or choose the profile that you want to change and select the edit icon, and then change the name, image, language or maturity on the profile, and you're gonna be able to see just like this, a quick demonstration. You're gonna be able to see this is your account on Netflix. Let's say you selected the smiley blue one, right? You're gonna see next to it, before you click on it, you're gonna be able to see like a pencil, and you're gonna be able to edit the name and the language and your picture as well, right? And Netflix offers many pictures from their own shows and movies. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.